Hello everyone, welcome back to the computer class. Today we have lesson number 4. The name of the lesson is Word Processor Mail Merge. So let's start. Mail Merge is an important feature provided by Microsoft Word. As you all are well known about Microsoft Word application, which is a word processing software. In previous classes, you have learnt about various features available in Microsoft Word. So today we will discuss a unique and new feature for you all, that is Mail Merge. So before starting, let's understand the meaning or use of this feature, Mail Merge. So what is Mail Merge? The process of merging or combining main document with a data source is known as mail merge. For example, you type a single letter and you want to send that particular letter to the number of people. These people can be your friends, business partners, customers, officers, relatives, etc. You want to send that particular letter to the number of people with their name, address, and with the standard information. This thing can be easily possible by mail merge command. Let's discuss the few advantages of using mail merge command. So the very first is a standard letter can be saved or reused. That means you can save that particular letter and reuse it in future by changing dates and address, etc. Number 2 is saves time and effort. Obviously nobody wants to waste his her time. So instead of typing the same letter again and again, we just type the letter for a single time. So mail merge helps us to save time and effort. That's why we use mail merge command. Number 3 is letters containing details of number of recipients. So here recipients means to whom we want to send the letters. Letters containing detail of number of recipients can be produced very quickly, which would otherwise require tedious amount of time and effort. Imagine if mail merge did not exist, then we have to type every individual letter, write name on every individual letter, and write addresses on every individual letter also. So all this typing work can be reduced by using mail merge. So let's discuss mail merge features components. So the very first is data source. Data source consists of a mailing list, means it is mailing list containing the names, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. of the recipient. Recipient means to whom we want to send the letters. The data is organized in tabular form with the field name. As you can see here, it is a mailing list. It contains the name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. of the recipients. So these are the field names: name, address, city, PIN, telephone number. The name, address, city, PIN, telephone number, etc. all these are fields, and data is saved in an organized form, tabular form. So this is about data source. Generally we can say it the basic information of the recipient. So this is the information regarding the recipients. Clear? Next is main document. Let's discuss main document. It contains the text that we wish to send to the recipients, means it is the content or text which you want to write in the letter to send your recipients. The information which you want to pass or convey to your recipient, you can just type in the main document. So in the main document you will write the text which you want to send. Clear? Next is merge field. It is a data item, like we have already discussed that in the mailing list the headers like name, address, city, pin code, telephone number are the merge fields, or we can say that the information headers about the recipients. So these are the merge fields, the headers available in the data source like name, address, city, pin, telephone number. Clear? So we can say them merge field. So the next is mail merge process involve 3 basic steps. First is creating a main document. Number 2, specifying a data source. Number 3, merging the data source with the main document. So let's see how it works. So the very first is creating a mail merge document. So how to start? You have to open Microsoft Word. As you can see, there are various tabs available: home tab, insert tab, page layout, reference, mailings, review, view. So you have to proceed to the mailings tab. This tab, click on this. In the start mail merge group, this is the start mail merge group, click on the start mail merge drop down arrow. So you have to click here and select the step by step mail merge wizard option. From here you have to choose this option. So right side you can see this window is appeared. Now you have to select the letters from here, as it is already selected. Then you have to click here, this step. Next, starting document. You have to click here. Now after this, the next step is select recipients. So how to select the recipients? You have to click here, select recipients. If you have already a list of recipients, you can use this option, that use an existing list. Existing list means you have already a list of recipients to whom you want to send the letter. But if you want to type a new list, you have to select this option, type a new list. So after choosing this option, you have to click on the create button. So new address list dialog box will appear. So here you have to give the title, first name, last name, company name, address line. There are various fields. You can fill the required information about the recipient. So you have to fill the information here. Like in title, we will write Mr. First name we can say Ram Singh, company for example ABC. Address line we can write any address, street number 2. Next, near bus stand. City you can say Amritsar. State Punjab. You can proceed to the other fields also. These are optional fields. For example, you can write here the mobile number, home number. So after writing these fields, after filling the information in these fields, you have to click on the new entry button. Okay, for the new entry, for example, I want to enter Mr. Next, Ram Singh. Company name, for example, XYZ. Street number, let's assume 4. Near tower. City, for example, you can write Ludhiana. State, again Punjab. You can write here the pin code, zip code. Country field, you can write India or you can leave it. Mobile number, contact number. You can write the mobile number also here. Clear? Next, if you want to enter a new entry, you can again go to the new entry button. Company, let's DEF. Street number 6. Near bus stand. SBS Nagar, Punjab. Clear? So if you want to add more entries, you can click on the new entry button, and after writing the information about the recipients, you have to click on this OK. After clicking on OK, save address list dialog box will appear. You have to give the name here for the file, for saving the list of recipients. For example, I'll give the name here mail contacts. Clear? So I'll keep this file on the desktop also. After giving the name to the file, we have to click on this save button. Mail merge recipients dialog box will appear. Now you can edit the recipients also. For example, from the list you don't want to send the letter to the Ram Singh, you can cancel the tick from here, otherwise you can keep it. Clear? Now I am keeping all the 3 records. If you want to exclude any record, you can exclude from here by removing this tick. But if you want to keep all the records, then there must be tick on all the contacts. Clear? So click on this OK. In this way your recipient list will be created. So the next step is write your letter. You have to click here. Before this you have to insert the merge fields. So for this again you have to go to this insert merge field button. You have to click here for defining where you want to place the particular field in the letter. In the letter format, where you want to place the particular information. All the fields which you have defined in the list, in your contact list, you can define here where you want to keep them in the format. For example, firstly I want to write first name, then after this I want to write the last name, then in the next line I want to insert the address line, so I can choose from here. In the next line I want city. After that I want dear and then I want that title will appear. So I will choose title, and with the title I can also choose the first name. Clear? So after inserting the merge fields, you have to write the letter here, the message which you want to pass or convey to your recipients. You have to type here. For example, I want to invite my recipients on my birthday party. So I will write a message to invite them all. So I'll write the letter here. For example, I have write a letter. You will be glad to know that my birthday will be celebrated on 14th July. You all are invited to my birthday party. Kindly reach my place at 4 p.m. Clear? After writing the letter, now the next step is preview your letters. Preview means if you want to see your letter with your inserting with your merge field. So how you will write? You have to click on this option, preview your letters. So as you can see the records. Here is second record display. If look for, this is the first record. So your letter will be passed or convey like this. Ram Singh Street number 2, Amritsar. Dear Mr. Ram, you will be glad to know that my birthday party will be celebrated on 14 July. You all are invited to my birthday party. Kindly reach my place at 4 p.m. So as in our contact list, there were 3 contacts. So this is the first contact. If you want to move to the next, you can move from here. If you want to go to the third, then, and similarly this is for previous record and this is for the next record. And you can also use this button also, preview results. Here you can also change. Clear? So both the buttons you can use. So this was the previewing your results, means previewing your letters. So the last step is printing the letter. You can take the printout of your letter with the merged data of your data source. So for this, what you have to do, you have to either click here or you can also use this finish and merge. So let's use this, complete the merge, and here is the option print. So after selecting this option, it will ask to print records all current record which you have opened. So if you want to print all, then you will click on this. Now the print dialog box will appear. So from here you can ask for the number of copies. If you want 3 copies, 4 copies, you can choose from here. And if after selecting, you will have to click on this OK button. Clear? You can also use this button, finish and merge. Click on it and choose the option print document. So for printing, you can use either this finish and merge print documents, or from here you can use this print option. So this is the way how to print your letters. This was the last step as according to your lesson. So I hope you will watch the video carefully and clear your doubts. So I request you all again, watch the video carefully. Don't forget to write the comments and views in the comment box. Subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates. Thanks for watching.